Hi there. Today we're taking a look at a product that the brand Little Griddle was nice enough to send to me in exchange for an honest review. This is their Pro Grill pan and basket. This is up first is the pan. You can see it's 137 square inches of cooking surface. You can see these nice grills and slats in here. Allow for all that grill flavor, smoky flavor to come through, but keep your food where it's supposed to be on top of your grill to get cooked. Another nice feature is these integrated handles. You can see they've got this nice curved surface to them, so it makes it really easy. Even food prep, you can kind of prep, put your meat on here, throw it right on the grill, let it cook, take it right off. Really great feature. The basket is 68 square inches of cooking surface. You can see it's got these real tall sidewalls to keep your food in the pan where it's supposed to be. But also, if you put something in here like vegetables, sometimes those pile up, they can get onto the sides a little bit and not cook as well. They've slatted the sides also, so you get all that smoky flavor or that grilled flavor to come through and evenly cook all of your food that you're putting into here. The pair of these are really nice because you could stick like shrimp in this one, you could stick chicken or any other kind of meat into this one, keep them separate. This one I could see maybe throwing a bunch of vegetables in here, letting it cook, putting some skewers or kebabs onto this one, setting them both on the grill, allowing them to cook evenly and having your food nice and prepared for you. And the next best thing is they're all made of full stainless steel, which makes cleanup a breeze. I hope this helps your buying decision. Thanks for watching.